we have to express or convert 4000 gram into kg. For this math, we have to follow some steps. First step is we have to follow the units. Here we have to convert gram to kg. It means small unit to large unit, gram to kg. And then we have to find out what is the relation between kg and gram. We know 1 kg equal to 1000 grams, so we have to divide by 1000. So our math is, first we know that 1000 gram is equal 1 kg, so 4000 gram is equal 4000 divided by 1000. Though we have to find out small to large, that's why we are dividing 4000 by 1000. So first we will cancel zeros. We will get 4 by 1. We know 4 by 1 is equal 4. So answer is 4 kg.
We have to make 2 kg 375 grams standard weight.
For solving second type question, we have to know the standard weights. Standard weights are 5 gram, 10 gram, 20 gram, 50 gram, 100 gram, 200 gram, 500 gram and 1 kg.
I'm taking 2 kg.
If we take 1 kg, we will get 2 kg. So I'm taking 2 weights of 1 kg is equal 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to kg. Again I am taking now 375 gram. For that I am taking 200 gram. 1 weight of 200 gram is equal 1 multiplied by 200 gram. So from 375, if we subtract this 200 gram, left 175 gram. So for that 175 gram, for that I am taking 100 gram. 1 weight of 100 grams. So 1 multiplied by 100 is equal to 100 gram. So left is 175 minus 100. Left is 75 gram. For 75 gram I am taking 150 gram. So 1 weight of 50 gram. We are taking 1 weight, so I am writing here 1 and taking 50 grams, so multiplying with 50, it means 50 gram. Again left is from 75 minus 50, 25 gram. If I take 20 gram, minus 20 is equal 5 gram. So we need 120 gram and 5 gram. So 1 weight of 20 gram, 1 multiplied by 20 is equal 20 gram, and 1 weight of 5 gram is equal 1 multiplied by 5 gram. If we add 2 kg, we will get 2 kg here, and 200 with 100, 300, 350, 370, 375 gram. We can solve it in another ways. Instead of taking 1 weight of 200 gram, we can take 3 weight of 100 gram. Then I will rub the board. If we add this also, 2 kg, 300 gram, 350 gram, 320 gram, 375 gram, 70 gram, 275 gram. We also get here 2 kg, 375 gram. In this way you can solve this math. So now solve your exercises. No more today. Thank you very much.